Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Special day today, a new razor review from Fine Accoutrements. It's the Fine DE5 double-edged safety razor. It's an open comb razor. This is their newest offering. Let's take a walk around the box. That's what it looks like. Nothing beats a fine shave. Fine DE5 safety razor with 5 premium Japanese blades. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with a 5-pack of feather high stainless blades. On the back of the box, the Fine DE5 safety razor brings new life to a beloved vintage design with modern precision manufacturing, clog-proofing modifications, more heft, and an initial supply of world-renowned Japanese blades. That's the feather blades. Take the guesswork out of your wet shave with a time-tested performance tool built to last a lifetime. 100% solid metal construction, stainless steel threads, gleaming chrome finish. The razor is made in China, the feather blades are made in Japan. Let's open up the box and have a look. It's got a cardboard sleeve that you just slide off, and then the door opens up, revealing the razor stowed comfortably inside. And there are usage instructions on the page where it folds out, like so. Let's remove the razor. You can see the 5-pack of feather blades stowed securely at the bottom. Let's take a look at the razor. Very shiny, gleaming chrome, as you can see. This top cap kind of flows downward from the center on both outside edges. So you have gleaming chrome, the handle, a gleaming chrome band, and then you've got this knurling running 3/4 of the way down the handle. Then it's smooth at the bottom, and the very bottom is smooth chrome. On the bottom of the razor, you do have the Fine logo at the bottom of the handle. Let's disassemble it and take a look. Unscrew the handle, top cap. You can see that the pins are bullet pointed or bullet shaped. That aids in securing the blade easily over. This is a throwback from back in the day. This is something that they brought back. The threads are stainless steel, so they'll be nice and sturdy. And then the top cap itself, you can see how it has these slots with these rails. It's an alignment bar with these keyhole slots that fits perfectly over the bullet points, tips, and the threaded post. As I said, it comes with a 5-pack of feather blades. Here's the 10-pack, just so you know. Here's the 5-pack. The black is 5, the yellow is 10. The blades are the same, just a difference in the quantity of blades in the package. Here's what the blade looks like. Let's remove it from the paper. It's got some glue on there, you need to pull it off. Let's drop this right over those bullet posts and the stainless steel threaded rod. Right there. And then the safety bar, the open comb safety bar. Now, reinstall the handle, tighten it down. Here's a look at it with the blade installed. You can see the blade reveal is perfect on both sides, and there is a little bit of blade overhang, about a 1/16 of an inch here and here on the outside edges. Feels good in the hand. It's a little bit short, a little difficult to get it to drop in the palm, but by comparison, let's take a peek. Here it is next to a Merkur 34C, which many of you may already have. You can see it's slightly longer, and it does weigh a little bit more than the 34C. So it's a little bit heftier. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 3.4 ounces or 95 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.4 inches or 88 millimeters. It's got a good heft to it. Just in my opinion, the handle could be a little bit longer. And just for the fun of it, let's see if we remove the handle. It has the M5 0.8 handle threads on it. So let's see if we could, if you wanted to, unscrew the handle from another razor. Here's my R41. Let's see if it will fit. Just if you wanted a little bit longer handle, yep, it fits no problem. So you could screw an alpha handle onto one of these to give it a really secure grip if that's what you're looking for. Or you could just leave it as is with the factory standard handle, the Fine handle, which gives you pretty good grip in its own right. You have the alignment bar with the keyhole slots. You have elongated concave teeth to make this more comfortable. They're not pointy as they are on the R41. As you can see, the R41, these teeth come out and they're a little bit pointier, and you can feel that dragging against the skin. That doesn't happen with this razor. It's just nice and smooth. You can run your finger along the edge of these grooves, these teeth, and you can feel that it's not pointy. It's not going to be uncomfortable touching the skin. The razor has clog-proof lather channels so that it rinses easily. We'll find out because we're going to shave with it. I'll use the Fine Clubhouse shaving soap right here. Remove the cap on that. Let me warm up my Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. Fill up my brush cup right here with some hot water. I'll use the Simpson's Trafalgar T3 shaving brush. There's a look at the knot. You can see it's nice, tight, dense, large knot. Very soft on the skin. Drop it right into the brush cup. Let it soak for a second. Pour the water out of my Shave Nation bowl. I'll take my little scoopy spoon and scoop out some shaving soap. Drop it in the bottom of the bowl. Right into the lather spot down there. Remove the brush, give it a couple shakes, pour out the water. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather with this Fine Clubhouse. It's a little bit solid, so you need to press it, compress it down into the bottom of that lather spot so it stays there, which look, it's compressed itself in there already. So now you just swirl the tips. It smells really nice. Kind of like a bright summer day. Just compress the tips into that lather spot where the soap is hiding down below, and it doesn't take very long at all. You can see lather starts coming up around the edges. Plenty of lather for several passes. Just keep swirling to generate thicker lather. Look at that. Very nice. There's still some soap hiding down there at the bottom. So if you want to keep swirling, you can generate even more lather. I probably put a little bit too much soap in there. But you can see no problem. Look at that. Tons of lather right there. All right, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, you can see my face is good and warm, turning red. Let's grab our brush and our bowl. Copious amounts of lather right here. Let's lather up. Twin Peaks. Starting on the right, working our way over. Mustache area, just drive it into the beard. Circular, plenty of lather. Paint it, swirl it, figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down, swipe, swipe. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. All right, I'll leave my fingers wet. We'll see how this feels. No problem gripping it. Here's a look. The Fine DE5 safety razor. Let's warm it up under the hot water. Start on the right side. Cut that sideburn. Start below and then work your way up to get a straight line. Very smooth on the skin. The open comb tips, the points, the concave points as they say. Very comfortable. You can see how the lather flows through the open comb. That's the trademark look of the open comb right there. Reminds me of when you take crinkle cut French fries and run them through the ketchup. You always have to relate it to food, right? But you know what I'm talking about. I know you do. One side is filled, flip it over. Not super aggressive. I had heavier beard growth. I got 2-3 day beard growth today, so it's having no trouble going through it. Very nice. Both sides filled, rinse it off. Okay, the lather channels. Look at that, rinses out very easily. Just a few seconds. Left side, start below, work your way up. Then work your way down. Flip it. Rinse. Right down the neckline. Very comfortable. You can go right over the chin, no problem. It just flows right through. Mustache, let's scoop right under the nose. Excellent. Rinse off. A quick face rinse. Leaving the residual slickness, leaving that cream on. Grab your brush, lather up for a second pass. Just a light coating this time. Shaving cream smells really good. Lathered up easily, nice cushion. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. Starting from the ear to the nose. I actually feel like I can't cut myself with this razor. It feels, with the curved, the concave teeth, it just flows right along, glides right along the skin. On the second pass, it's removing beard, but it doesn't really feel like it is. It's kind of amazing. All right, against the grain on the neck. Very nice. Across the mustache, start with the tip under the nose. Clean those hairs out, then lay it flat on the lip, on the upper lip. Philtrum, I should say. Clean up, rinse. Another quick rinse. Very smooth right there. Let's just hit the cheeks. We'll go against the grain on the cheeks. Get those baby smooth. You don't want to scrape, but you want to skim. So start like this, and once it catches, you'll feel it. That sweet spot, right where you want to be, right there. This gets those cheeks like an ice skating rink. Super smooth. Same thing on this side. Stretching the skin, work your way out. All right, rinse. It does rinse out really easily. Cold water rinse to the face. Cold water feels really good on the freshly shaven skin. Awesome shave. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. This will seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. Really nice finish to the shave. Tightens the skin. It's an antiseptic. It's a natural stone. It comes from the earth. Cap it back up, set that down. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Right up on top of it, we'll layer the Fine Clubhouse aftershave. Remove the cap, a little bit in the fingertips. Oh yeah, it smells just like the shaving soap. Excellent pairing. Beautiful finish to the shave right there. All right, check it. Cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything baby smooth. Really nice shave provided by this Fine DE5 double-edged open comb safety razor. Very comfortable, feels very good in the hand. Yes, the handle could be a little bit longer, but still, if you squeeze, you can get it down there and spin, no problem. You can see the bullet points here. They actually will stop you from spinning. You see how far they protrude? So you have to grip it down below those bullet points and then spin it. So that's a thing. Not a bad thing, but I'm just saying, you can't grip it all the way up at the top because you won't be able to spin. But just a little bit down, then you can spin it. As far as an aggression rating on this razor, I'm going to give it 6.5, in between a 6 and a 7. It's not super aggressive, and it's not even medium. It's a little bit above that. So that's the aggression rating on this razor. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. If you enter DE5 in the search box, it will pop up. DE5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.